Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 8, C is 8, D is 24. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming from. Sim- Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the Modmas and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or you can say parenthesis. So what we will do, we have to go, we will write this part as it is and divide it 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. We will write as it is. And minus 2 and minus 16, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. Okay. Now move forward. Step number 2 is you have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So we have to go for 3 raised to power 2. So we will solve this one. 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. And multiply by 2, we write as it is. And here we have to write this part minus 2 and minus 16, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. This becomes raised to power 2 become 9. Okay, now we have to solve the step number 3, which is division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. Either you are using BODMAS and PAMDAS, roots is same for both. So what you have to go, you have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 9 multiplied by 2, which is coming first. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 18. And minus 2 and minus 16, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. Now we have solved this part. Now we have to go for addition and subtraction. And here also we have addition and subtraction. So we have to go again left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 18 minus 2. Then we will solve this one and get the answer is 16. And minus 16 again we have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 18 minus 2 equals to 16. And we have now two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 0. So the answer of the given expression is 0. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.